So many people out there think that selling ebooks cannot make them rich, and many Amazon KDP sellers and non-knowledgeable writers selling ebooks have proved this statement wrong. Statistics show that the market for physical books is expected to grow around 1.87 billion readers by 2027, while ebook readers are expected to reach 1.2 billion. What does this mean for us? Well, ain't it obvious? More money. But guess what? It's not as simple as other YouTubers make it out to be. I wish you the best of luck if you are considering using ChatGPT or any other AI tool for writing these ebooks. You may earn a few dollars in the moment, but forget about making the big bucks, because a huge chunk of the money is going to be made when you get returning customers, which is why I'm going to reveal exactly how to create a value-packed best-selling ebook that you can build once and sell forever. But more on that very soon. Now on to the fun stuff, which is the read, write, sell formula. Your brains must be swollen by now just thinking about what formula could this be, but let me explain. Ebooks have changed the lives of a lot of great and successful people. There are so many examples out there, but I'll only go over 3 examples where people have changed their lives entirely through ebooks. Warren Buffett became rich by reading ebooks. J.K. Rowling became rich by writing ebooks. Jeff Bezos became rich by selling ebooks. Do you see the pattern here? The more you read, the more knowledge you'll gain. The more knowledge you gain, the more you'll have to write about. And the more you have to write about, the more chances you have of selling what you learned after reading. Get it? Things and times have changed. What once was just a hobby, now you can make a full-time income from it passively if done correctly. Now let's jump into the meat of the matter. People absolutely judge books by their covers, so it should always be your point of duty to package your ebooks in a way for your readers to digest properly and not throw up due to lack of value. Get it? So first, we're going to start out by doing some research just to ensure that our ebook idea is already proven to sell. Guess where we're going to look for some inspiration? You guessed it, none other than Amazon. So let's say, for example, I wanted to create an ebook around how to start a business with $0. I would just come over to Amazon and search for something along the lines of the topic that I'm going for. Once I find what I'm looking for, I would then validate the idea based on how many 5-star reviews it has. In my opinion, an ebook with over 60% 5-star reviews is good to go. I would then click on Read Sample just to see what makes this ebook sell so much and try to take a page from their book. Well, not literally, because remember, these books were made to be read digitally. Anyways, once we get our idea down, it's time to whip up a captivating ebook cover. How, you may ask? By using a free tool called Canva. Creating an ebook cover is pretty simple. You're just going to come over to canva.com and search for ebook covers, and then you just pick, choose, and refuse out of all of these templates. Once you've found the one that you like to use, just click on it and start the designing process. It's super simple to change anything that you don't like and add what you do like. If you don't know what to create, you just come back over to Amazon for even more inspiration for your ebook cover. Always remember, history always repeats itself, so don't be afraid to take from each and every ebook that you see with a bunch of great reviews. There must be a reason as to why they're selling so much. Find out that reason and build upon it to make it better. And if you can't design a simple ebook cover, no worries. You can use a freelance website like Fiverr.com where you can hire professionals to get it done for you at a budget-friendly rate. The link will be down in my description, so check that out. Moving on to the fun part for less people, which is actually writing the ebook content. Be honest, which one of you guys watching this enjoys writing? Because I used to hate it. I just started liking to write just a bit, and that's because I have to be writing the scripts for my YouTube videos, and this has to get done no matter what. So writing an ebook right now would be a breeze for me. But for you, it might not be, if you're not used to it. In this case, you could use a free AI tool like ChatGPT, and yes, I know I told you guys that using AI won't take you that far, but if you're literally just starting out with writing and have zero knowledge on a topic, you could use it to help streamline the process, but not depend on it solely. Because without a human touch, you won't succeed long term, to be honest, and that's what you want, right? Anyways, you can start off by writing the ebook content using Google Docs for free. And again, you can come over to Amazon to see how your competitors have formulated their ebook outline or layout and just model from that. And to make it even easier for you and your ebook creation process, I went ahead and created a free Google Docs which layouts actionable steps that you can take to make your ebook stand out from the other newbies, and this will be linked down in my description. Let's move on to the interior design for your ebook. And again, you can use canva.com once again for this process. Here's just a quick example of one of my free ebooks that I gave away as a lead magnet on my very first YouTube channel, and this was created using Canva. But for the sake of this video not being too long, I won't cover all of this today, but it's pretty simple to do. All you're going to do is search for A4 flyer template in Canva and just pick one. Then you'll just copy and paste the ebook content from Google Docs to Canva and just make the content visually appealing. Let me let you in on a little secret. You can even sign up for a free Skillshare account using the link in my description to watch a few well-developed courses for 3 whole months at no cost. And no, this video is not sponsored by them. In fact, I literally just found this course explaining more in depth on how to write, design, and publish an ebook from scratch, so feel free to watch it when this video is finished for free. If you're too lazy to even learn how to do it yourself, don't worry, because you can always hire someone on Fiverr to get it done for you. I'll leave a link to a freelancer that I use to create some of my ebook interiors down below. What good would creating an ebook be if you don't use a mock-up to make it look more realistic on the outside? I'll show you what I mean. Take a look at this ebook versus this one. Which one looks more professional and pleasing to the eye? This one. And the reason is quite simple. It's giving off a real 3D or physical book kind of vibe. A tool that you can use to create these 3D and more realistic ebook covers is placeit.net, which will be linked down below. This website literally has it all as it relates to real-life mockups. All you would have to do is just upload the PNG or JPEG format of your regular ebook cover and then watch as the magic happens. Afterwards, you just download it to your device and use it for promotional purposes, which we will touch base on in a few. What's the purpose of packaging up the perfect ebook if you don't have a platform to sell it on? There's a lot of options out there that you can use, but for this section, I'll be going over just 2 platforms that you can start with for free. To kickstart the list, we have Amazon KDP, which is also known as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. With this option, Amazon promotes your ebooks on their platform for free, and in return take a small cut of the revenue that they generate from each of your ebooks sold. Publishing with an ebook on this platform is pretty straightforward. You just click a free Amazon KDP account, then click on Create. Afterwards, you click on Create ebook. On this page, you'll just fill in basic information about what kind of ebook you're publishing so that Amazon can show your ebooks to the right persons. Here, you'll just add the PDF file for your ebook and upload your own ebook cover. You can choose to preview your ebook also. Lastly, you would just check this box if you want to enroll in the KDP Select and then add your ideal pricing for your ebook and just click Publish Your Kindle ebook. If you're a person that would like to keep all of the profits generated and have the full flexibility to scale your ebook business to the next level without making Jeff Bezos any richer, then the second option is for you. The platform that you could use to help you with this for free is System.io, and a link to this platform will be down below. What is System.io? This is a free all-in-one business tool which you could use to grow your online business using high-converting sales funnels and more. The reason why I would use this over Amazon KDP is because after a customer purchases my ebook, they would have to give me their email address, and instead of Amazon receiving the customer's email address plus their money at checkout, I would be doing so myself on my own sales page while growing my own business. How, you may ask? I would have that person's email to now send automated marketing emails and even upsell them on some future products or services related to the ebook that they would have bought initially. So if a customer bought a dog training ebook from me, I now know for sure that that person loves dogs. So what I could do is probably create an even more expensive course or program about how to keep your dog strong and healthy, and that'll generate me more income in the long run. Anyways, here's a sales funnel that's proven to convert visitors into buyers, and I would be giving away this entire funnel for free by linking it down in my description, so feel free to grab that. This platform is very user-friendly, and it's a drag and drop, so you'll be able to change anything in this funnel to fit your needs easily. This free sales funnel comes with a sales page that's designed to sell your products or services for you seamlessly. If a person decides to click on any of these buttons, they would be taken to the checkout page to make the purchase. And after making the purchase, they would be taken to a thank you page, which basically set the expectations going forward. You can let them know that you'll send weekly, bi-weekly, or however many valuable emails with free information you'd be sending them so that they know what to expect next. And no one likes to get spammed or sold all the time, so please avoid doing this. If you would like me and my team to build out a custom high-converting sales funnel to sell your ebook for you, DM us the word funnel on Instagram. We're doing the first 30 people only, and no, it's not free. The only downside to using this platform versus Amazon KDP is that you would have to promote the ebooks yourself, which in my opinion would still be well worth it long term. Which brings me to my next point, which is using YouTube's free traffic to promote your ebooks. It's never been easier than now to become a YouTuber, especially without showing your face, and make money while doing so without even relying on just YouTube AdSense. In this video, I went over exactly how you can use AI to create professional 10-minute plus videos without editing them in literally seconds. Watch that video after this one to see how effective this YouTube strategy really is. And by just uploading YouTube videos, that provides value to your viewers, while promoting your ebooks could potentially lead to other income streams like YouTube AdSense revenue, sponsorships if your channel grows, merch, and a whole lot more. This is simple yet not easy, and all good things take time, so if you're not planning on being consistent, don't even start, and that's just me being real with you. Everything that we went over in this video is absolutely useless if you can't do this one thing, and that's sell. Without this skill, it makes no sense to start because you would just have a valuable ebook and no one to sell it to. But don't worry, we put together a 4 ebook bundle that will equip you with all the necessary skills that you need to succeed with this. You can grab it using the link in my description below. If you're under $5,000 in the bank, watch this video on your screen next.